Hi there, so I've come for an impromptu visit to Boxer Works to see Fred. Now Fred and I are going to hopefully turn my F900 GS into the bike it was born to be. Unfortunately, it will be better than I am, so once we've finished it, Fred's going to have to ride it, so really put it through its paces. Now of course Fred's helping me with the K100 as well. I don't know what I'd do without him and his knowledge, because my money in my hands are simply not enough. I would just break everything. But something arrived in the post today, and I was going to wait to fit it, but Fred said bring it in and we'll chuck it on, and I'm very excited to show you my new SC Project NCAN. Now I was going to wait until the Arrow link pipe came, but that's not coming till mid-November, which is very annoying. And like a teenage boy, I got too excited and I had to do something about it. So we'll chuck this on. I'm not expecting a massive sound improvement straight away, but as you'll see, this is significantly shorter than the wheelie bin that's currently attached. So let's let Fred get to work and we'll have a film of him.
Big twist in action.
Just in shot there, you caught a glimpse of Buddy, the health and safety inspector. He's not impressed, he's walked off. I mean, nice. Right, let's chuck him on. Much of a weight difference?
Not really.
So the kit came with a new mounting bracket. That's where we're going to put the old one. And the new one is a bit sexier. I've heard all the best mechanics like doing their work whilst being supervised. Really motivates them.
Yeah, especially by a dick like you.
So, just as a general rule then, Fred, for people out there, as a talk setting, what would you, without a book in your hand, what would you traditionally nip these up to?
Probably 20 to 25.
Nice. Right. The kit did come with a new clamp and all the bits you'd expect to fit it, so you don't need to save any of the old parts.
Lines up nicely. All good.
There we have it. And he seems to agree.
Fire away.
So I don't think this is going to be a particularly long job. So first thing first is we'll whip off that cover, whip off their NCAN, and see. There we go. There we go. Oh. There's other videos where people have weighed this, so I won't bother, but that's it.